Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you watch one of our recent videos, I laid my bike down in the mountains. Insurance check finally came in and parts are in, so now I'm dropping the bike off here at Colonial Harley Davidson to get it all fixed up. New pipes, parts, and all that good stuff to make my bike look good again. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna flash forward to picking it up day. Okay guys, today is Friday. I got the call yesterday saying the bike was ready. Couldn't get up here till today. I dropped the bike off Monday, and like I said, today's Friday. We're picking it up. Before we go inside, I want to take just a quick second to say I apologize if I haven't been bringing a whole lot of content like I used to. I used to work on the weekends, and then I had all week to do content, make videos and all that stuff, but I wanted more family time. So I switched to working during the week now, and I'm off on the weekends. Basically making videos now is, I do it when I can do it, but I still want to bring you the best quality content that I can. So we're here today. I'm excited. I'm gonna pick up the bike. I drove up here. I'm gonna drop my truck off, go inside, pick the bike up. Hopefully everything is good to go. Thanks again to Colonial Harley Davidson for looking after me and getting my bike up and, well, making my bike look pretty again. So let's go inside. So normally I just go over to the service department and go in there and take care of what I need to take care of, but my buddy Uncle Don is working, hopefully, so let's go in here and see. And Uncle Don is here.
Hi, everybody out there.
In YouTube land.
In YouTube land.
In YouTube land.
In YouTube land.
Okay, making our way to the service department. Pick up the bike. And where's everybody at? Scott! Hey buddy, I'm gonna make you famous. I appreciate it. Let's see. Oh man, that looks so much better. No more dent in the tank. Oh yeah, no more little scratch there either. Looking good. Okay, so the bike is picked up, like I said. They ended up replacing the exhaust for me. This peg over here, the rear brake, that rear shock. What else did they replace? They replaced this, the mirror, my front, well, yeah, my front brake's up here, and oh, and of course the tank. And the bike is looking beautiful again. I want to thank Scott, Colonial, for helping me out, get my bike looking good again, and let's go. Okay, so we're back home, back in the garage. The bike is tucked away, nice and warm. The weather changing, getting cooler. Of course, I'm still going to take you back out and enjoy you now that you're all pretty again. The Roadster was well taken care of over at Colonial Harley Davidson. Thanks to all the guys over there who put in the hard work. Thanks to Scott and Julian for putting up with me and all my phone calls. Thanks to Allstate for helping me out too. That's not a paid advertisement, so just letting y'all know that. But yeah, all new goodies on here, make it look all pretty again. Let me show the parts that came off real quick. So we got rear turn signal, front turn signal, rear brake controls, Vance and Hines exhaust, short shots exhaust, we all know that, peg, cover, right hand controls from the those are the Harley Davidson clip-on cafe racer bars that I bought. Controls, and of course the tank that got replaced. They had a dent on the other side, so that's not too pretty, but I cleaned it up. They're probably gonna hang it on the wall. I wanted to show you guys that to kind of finish out the video. So I want to tell you guys the next video I'll be dropping, I'm actually really excited about. The wife and I will be going to Milwaukee and visiting the Harley Davidson Museum and checking out the headquarters, Harley Davidson headquarters. So I'm really excited to do the next video. Should be a lot of footage. I'll break it down because, you know, some people don't like long videos, but I'm gonna try to break it down, but I'm gonna have a blast. So we're gonna fly out to Milwaukee, go see the museum, eat the cafe there, the motor bar, I think is what it's called. And we're gonna be staying at the Iron Horse Hotel, which is, if you haven't checked it out, check it out. It's a really cool looking, like if you're into like motorcycle or like industrial kind of look themes, it's a really nice hotel to check out. So I'll be dropping that video soon. I'm really excited to work on that one and film it and shoot it and everything, and just to visit the museum. If you guys would like to follow along with my trip, make sure you go over to my Facebook page and my Instagram page. Go there, like, follow, because I definitely post up a lot more content on those platforms, those social media platforms, than I do on YouTube. You know, if you haven't, subscribe to our YouTube channel, please, and thank you. Really appreciate the support. And if you haven't also, go over to Facebook and Instagram, give us a like, a follow. With that said, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. I'm definitely gonna be working harder on bringing you more videos, and please tell your friends, subscribe, and keep following along on the journey. Thank you for watching. No!